Hey friends, thanks to visit my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sahil and today I'll teach you how to do graphic programming in Turbo C++. Before starting the tutorial, I'll show you the topic covered by this video. So the first one is how to include Graphics.h in Turbo C++, and the second, use of initGraph function, and third, coordinate system in Turbo C++. Fourth and last, uses of some basics functions of graphics. To use graphics feature, we have to use Graphics.h file. But in Turbo C++, by default, this file is not included in our library. So to use it, first we have to include it in our library. So in the first tutorial, I teach you how to include it. Step 1. Open Turbo C++. Now step 2. Go to the options, then to linkers, and then to libraries. Now step 3. An box will appear. Click on the graphics library in that box. Now let me show you how to open Turbo C++. Here it is. Now go to the options. I'll go and here there it is options, and then to linker. Here it is, and then to library. Now an box will appear. Click on graphic library, and then it is done. To do graphic programming, we have to use initGraph function, but we don't need to know how it works. So in this tutorial, I will teach you what it does and how we can use it. InitGraph function is used to initialize graphics system. It is void type function, means it doesn't return any value. It receives 3 arguments, 2 int type variables and location of graphic file. Now let me show you the format of initGraph. So now let's proceed to the third tutorial, coordinate system in Turbo C++. In Turbo C++, we do graphic programming in 4th quadrant, means the origin is at upper left corner. Turbo C++ provide screen resolution of 639 by 469, means the maximum x coordinate that we can give is 639 and that y is 469. Now let me explain you by the help of diagram. So the next tutorial is uses of some basic function of graphics. This is the list of the functions which I am going to teach you. Line function is used to draw a line. It receives 4 arguments. Now let me explain you how to use it. Here you can see a statement which will draw a line from the point x, y to the point x1, y2. Now let me show you an example. Circle function is used to draw a circle. It receives 3 arguments. Now let me explain you how to use it. Here you can see a statement which will draw a circle whose center is at x, y and having radius r, as shown in this diagram. Now let me show you an example. Function is used to draw a rectangle. It receives 4 arguments. Let me explain you how to use it. Here you can see a statement which will draw a rectangle which the point x, y is the coordinate of upper left corner and the point x1, y1 is the coordinate of lower right corner, as you can see in the diagram. Now let me show you an example. Arc function is used to draw an arc. It receives 5 arguments. Now let me explain you how to use it. Here you can see a statement which will draw an arc whose center is at point x, y having radius r. A is the angle from which the arc gets started and B is the angle to which it ends. Remember one thing, in C++ we give angle in degree. Now let me explain you by the help of diagram. As you can see in the left side, the output of this statement is an arc whose center is at x, y having radius r. The starting angle is A and the ending angle is B, which are in degree. Now let's take an example. Suppose if we give this statement whose starting angle is 0 and ending angle is 180. So this will print a semicircle. Now let me show you an example.